What if I told you there was a single tea with more caffeine than coffee, more antioxidants than green tea, and all with zero acidity? Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today we are going to be looking at the best tea for energy you have never heard of. Stay tuned to the end for my personal secret recipe for making this tea taste absolutely amazing. Made from the leaves of a small bush indigenous to South America, this remarkable tea is called Yerba Mate. This tea has a similar flavor to green tea, but with less propensity towards bitterness. Now, it is not every day that you run across a tea that can go toe-to-toe with coffee and come out on top. With about the same or slightly more caffeine, Yerba really puts coffee to shame. Yerba also avoids all the major pitfalls of coffee. High levels of acidity and a bad reputation for causing jitters have many people ditching their morning cup of joe and searching for an alternative. However, these shortfalls only serve to highlight Yerba's strength. Packed with amazing health-boosting compounds, lacking stomach irritating acid, and a jitter-free buzz, Yerba beats coffee on nearly every metric. Now, it's time to let you in on the secret to making this stuff taste amazing. While the tea's mild and grassy flavor isn't bad by any means, it is pretty simple, but there is an easy fix. Once you have finished steeping the tea for about 3 to 5 minutes, just add a pinch of brown sugar. Just a small amount adds a pleasant depth to the beverage with just the slightest hint of sweetness. Give it a try today and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.